Hi, welcome to the .NET Core Blazor series. In the previous video, I was discuss about the image upload and modification process and our image uploading and modification process was completed in the Blazor server app. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the authorization restrictions. So before move to the authorization restrictions, so let us discuss about the authentication and authorization. So first thing is authentication. So authentication is the process which ensure that the user, whether the registered in our system or not. So authentication is the process when user hit via web or any other platform. So user can put their email and password. So through this hit request and our system validate the user is has the existence or not. So after the authentication, so next process is the authorization. So in the authorization, we ensure that the logged in user has the particular resource access or not. So just move to the implementation, and as you can see that here is my web portal, and I am not logged in that time. So if I move to the my Blazor applications and I just move the products and product list, I just try to hit the product list. So copy this and paste it here. As you can see that the product list menu is accessed successfully. So I am not logged in. So I just want to implement some restrictions. The only logged in user can access that. So I need to do some little changes in the in menus. So just move through the uh, shared, and in the shared just hit menus, nav menu. As you can see that here I have already added the authorized views and not authorized. So these two menus any user can access, register and login. So and in this and you can see that in the below, here is the authorized uh, attribute which is used to access only authorized user. I mean those are logged into the system. So I just want to add the product uh, menu here, and after that I uh, will implement the authorization process in the product list. So just first of all I have to add the product uh, link here. So I have just to put it here, and just move to the okay, it's creating some issues. So authorized, I just put it here, and what happening with this? So just move to the copy this and paste it here. So the authorization is added for the product, and just move to the product and copy this and paste it here. So this menu will be accessed for the authenticated user only. And next I have to see, now I have to add the authorized attribute in my product list. So just move the product list and add at the rate uh, attribute, which is the authorize. So only authorized user can access this page. So I have just removed here, restart again it the whole project and just see. So projects started now, and I have to log into the system, add credentials there, email and password here. So just submit the request. So I think I have just some, I have do some mistake here. So here is the authorized view, and just as you can see that the product link is now available, and I have done just some change here. Remove the authorized attribute from the top and put it here. So yeah, I think it was duplication issue, so it was already working here and I was just put it there. So thanks for watching the video, and in the next video oh, I will start the our Blazor WebAssembly project. So the Blazor server project is now completed, and thanks for watching, and we will meet in the next video.